Emily, sweetie, it's only 2 nights. The babysitter will be here any minute. Her name's Sarah. She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't open the door for anyone you don't know. Understood?
Okay. Will you call me when you get there?
Of course we will. We love you. Be good.
Well, hello. You must be Emily.
How do you know my name? Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And yes, I know a lot of things. I'm here to make tonight really fun.
My parents don't let me talk to strangers. I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident. Nothing serious, but she won't be able to make it. So they sent me instead. Isn't a talking cat way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
Whoa! How did you do that? He's so pretty.
Just a little trick, see? Not alone anymore.
It's like a princess castle. How do you do that? Can you read minds?
Just a little. I know you like happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents come back. Shall we play hide and seek? I'll count first.
Yeah, but no cheating.
Come on, you have to hide better than that. Oh no, try harder next time. This isn't fun if you don't hide properly, Emily.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
All right, boss, you're in charge.
Simon says, touch your hat. Simon says, hop on one foot. Simon says, pull a rainbow cat out of your hat. Sing! You lost, silly. I didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this round, little mouse. Time to smash some piñatas. This bat is special. It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong. Let's get lots of candy. Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play with them. Isn't it wonderful?
You're a monster! You're a monster! Get out! Get out of my house!
You didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you happy. Now, let's play hide and seek. I chase, you hide.
The windows are gone. Please, please. There's a monster in my house. You're my mommy and daddy. Please, come quick. Emily Smith. The monster captured my parents, and now he won't stop chasing me. It's 142.
Let's play something else, little mouse. A simple game. Rock, paper, scissors. I can't feed properly if you won't play nicely. Fine, I'll give you an exit. Just jump, everything will end. You'll be with your parents. If you want that. alone too.